Hello, and welcome to the sub-accounts tutorial on the V2 Cloud dashboard. Here we'll discuss how to create a new sub-account, how to migrate computers, and finally talk about the user accesses page. So without further ado, let's begin. To create a new sub-account, you have one of two ways to do so. Either select the drop-down on the left navigation panel and select here, or two, use the sub-accounts page, where you'll see the same button I just showed earlier. Select the Add New Account, and two fields will appear within the modal. The first is to name your sub-account. In this case, I'll call it Cabin Corp. Second is to migrate any computers you choose. In this case, I'll migrate Test PC. We'll create the account, a confirmation modal will appear, and the page will refresh. And just like that, you've created your sub-account. To migrate computers within the sub-account, select Edit Account. Here, you'll have the ability to either remove computers from that sub-account, meaning it'll go back to the parent account, or two, add more sub-accounts, or add more VMs. Here, I'll select two computers, and we'll save those changes. And as you can see here, those two computers have been migrated to that sub-account now. To access this sub-account, select the Actions button and Access Sub-Account, or two, go to that same drop-down, the left navigation panel, and you'll see it just here. Now let's talk about user access. This is a new feature we've also added within sub-accounts where you can give your administrators more privileges within your dashboard. Just add new permission and define the role. In this case, we have two roles. The first is for the accounting manager, which gives full access within the billing section of the dashboard and nothing else. And the second is the operations manager, which gives partial access to managing the dashboard for day-to-day operations. Essentially, the accounting manager will have control over everything within the billing section and nothing else, while the operations manager will be able to help with day-to-day tasks by using everything within the general tab. Finally, I'd like to discuss one more thing. We've now added a new Statements tab within the Invoices. This breaks down the cost of each sub-account you've created under the parent account. Please note, this is not an invoice, and that the invoices will still be sent to the parent account. Thank you so much for listening, and we hope you enjoy the feature.